PingSunday has the special permission of Coach Chen Kangning. Please don't upload the video without the permission of Coach Chen and PingSunday.
Not putting enough force. Good. I can point out the flaws in just one of your shots. Do you know why? When serving with the backhand, make sure your left foot is not in front. Serving like this will always be easy only if you can deliver quality. When serving with the backhand, make sure your right foot is in front. Is it powerful? How do you serve? Left foot in front. I haven't even served yet and you're holding back. Yes, right foot in front. Finally, the left foot lands. Left foot lands. Hey, if you see my right foot doesn't support, then left foot lands, right? You need to watch carefully. Look, right here in front. Right, I'll serve a few without any shaking. Standard observation. Is it obvious? Look at the center of gravity. When tossing the ball. When landing, release the shot. Right foot support. Bring your hand out. When tossing the ball. When the left foot is lifted and the last lands, release the shot. Including short balls. Toss, land. Release the shot when landing. Toss, land. Go back and practice how to serve without shaking like this. This isn't a serious matter, right? Hey, if there's no correct method, you have to work hard on your own. If you serve this kind of short ball, how do you execute this hidden push? Let me give you a hint, a slightly high toss. Toss it a bit shorter. So when I hit this ball, toss it onto my own table. Is it coming towards the opponent? Kind of brushing against the opponent. This kind of subtle push. Okay, then I'll do a forehand attack. Just like with other serves, quickly relax after coming around. Raise him up a bit when he comes down. After lifting him up. Flatten out, fake a move. See if it's a hidden push. Whether it's a touch push, it slows down when it's with me. Suddenly my grip flies out. The previous movements. Have I served like this? Have I ever served like this? Why not serve like this? Is it too obvious or easy to read when served like this? Can you see it? Why is that? Your serve and spin are different from others. Okay, then I'll spin like the others. And then finish the spin. Do a flattening motion. It's like cutting through laughter. Forehand loop. Let's keep it simple. Just connect it with the explosive push. You can see me take 2 balls. What is looping? Is it directly looped to the opposite side of the table? What if I'm in a rally? How do I make my forehand loop longer? The first jump is on your own table. Actually, it's just going over. Just what? One is directly looping to the opposite side. One is looping back to your own table. There's an important thing in this. Is it too obvious to loop like this directly? Okay, what do I need to add? Add some feints. What are feints? Feinting with your racket during. One is after looping the ball. What is feinting with the racket? Think about it. Isn't this how you serve short balls? Including hitting long balls from the sides, or hitting the balls out. Is this how you start? Okay, now I'm going to loop. If you throw the ball up, it goes back and down. Right, the opponent knows what you're up to from your feints. Okay, what do I need to do before hitting the ball? Add a feint. Add some deceptive moves to confuse the opponent. Throw it up like this, just in the process of the ball falling. Do I instantly drop down? This way the paddle is slightly lower than the ball. Is there a feint beforehand? Oh, why is this done like this? When serving the ball, feint with rotation. Keep your feints consistent. Isn't it harder for others to judge? Okay, this is the first feint. What's the second feint? Clearly you just pull it out like this. Others can easily figure out your forehand loop. After pulling it out, smoothly flatten. This is the feint after looping. Is it in an instant? Make others feel like you're cutting down. Is it so? This is a complete one. What is the core? The core is actually looping to the opposite side. Looping back to your own table. If I don't relax, I throw it here. I can't come down instantly. How do you serve when it's halfway through? You can't serve, so when you toss the ball and prepare to hit, you must relax. In this way, the speed at which the ball falls, and after you raise it to this point, the speed at which it quickly comes down can match up. If you're too late, by the time you come down halfway, the ball has already fallen. Can't you see you can't lift it up? Right, because you are taller than the ball. Okay, look. Isn't it slightly lower than the ball? Isn't it because you've relaxed? Right, it's coming down. Relax and hit. Relax. False move, right? What about this? You need to put in effort quickly. Quickly make a false move in one motion. Isn't it a bit deceiving? Is it obvious? Look at the spin. Do I really need to hit the ball when it's coming? Your hand is lower than the ball. Slightly lower, so it's difficult. In the beginning, the first few steps were all fine. Until this step. Until you realize it. Right, if you were asked to hit like this directly, could you do it? But this kind of shot won't work. Why can opponents see it as soon as you prepare to hit? You have to add a loop. And then after hitting it, snap. Make a false move. It kicks up, but the arc is low. Watch one more. It kicks up, but the arc is low. What did I use at the end? I used my body and. You know why? I asked you to lightly press your left foot. Think about it. When you raise and press your left foot slightly, you naturally engage the hips. You can't even lift the left foot. If you don't apply force, the left foot won't press down. Actually, it's the hips that drive the foot movement. Alright, I rise up a bit, then press down a bit. Isn't that the hip power? That pressure brings the arc down. The so-called body pressure on the arc comes from here. What's the use of just leaning your upper body? If you apply force from this part, you control the arc. This inward hip pressure, the squeezing feeling you can't find. So what to do? Here's the simplest way. Lightly press your foot down. You'll naturally have to push downward. You'll naturally use force diagonally downward and forward, right? Isn't it very low? But it still kicks up, right? Right in front of you, boom, it pops.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.